Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I'm Andrew Christie. I'm the director of the Santa Lucia chapter of the Sierra Club. In our comments on the draft EIR, we referred to the 2011 Yellowstone River oil spill when a ruptured pipeline spilled 1,000 barrels of oil into that essential waterway. In response to that comment, the EIR authors expressed puzzlement that we would bring up that spill by way of comparison to the impacts of a spill from an oil drilling operation in the Wasna Valley, because Yellowstone was a pipeline spill and this would be a tanker truck shipping operation. And you have heard a lot about tanker spills today and the odds thereof. We note the existence of pipelines between the proposed Acceleron shipping site and the pads, the presence of which the EIR notes means that in the event of a spill, the oil and produced water could enter the ephemeral and intermittent tributaries that are in close proximity to the pipelines, end quote. The potential hazards of a drilling wastewater spill are insufficiently analyzed in the EIR, as your Health Commission pointed out, relative to the lack of any assessment of a field lifetime accumulative impact for, quote, the inevitable oil/produced water spill, which will add high concentrations of dissolved solids into the groundwater of the Wasna River, tributaries adjacent to the proposed production areas, end quote. The other reason we brought up the Yellowstone, the response to the Yellowstone spill came down to crews picking their way through hundreds of acres of underbrush, lopping off oil-stained plants and tree branches with hand clippers and hauling it away in plastic bags. And that was ExxonMobil, the largest, richest company in history with access to resources this applicant can only dream of, and that was the best they could do. To issue this permit would require that you find that the economic benefits of the project are an overriding consideration, outweighing its unmitigatable significant environmental impacts. You cannot make that finding. In fact, it would be an oxymoron if you did, because the economic impacts of a spill, a death sentence for the valley's agricultural operations, would cancel out the benefits of the project's $300,000 in tax revenues and 35 jobs. The wildlife, fisheries, and environment of the Yellowstone are expected to suffer long-term consequences from last year's spill. Conservation biologist Charles Preston of the Draper Museum of Natural History told CNN it could take years to really understand the impact of the spill. It's true there. It's true here. It's not worth it. Please protect the Wasna Valley, uphold the general plan, and deny this permit. Thank you.